name is Mindy Pitre, and I'm an associate professor and chair in the Department of Anthropology here at SLU. Specifically, I'm a bioarchaeologist, so I'm someone who studies biological remains like teeth, bone, skin, and hair from archaeological sites. My favorite course to teach at SLU would be my Plagues and Peoples course. It's a new course that I've developed just recently, and in it there's a combination of lecture, discussion, for example, and field trips, and even visits from local historians. We talk about different diseases that have affected, humanity in the past and in the present. So we go into diseases like tuberculosis, cholera, leprosy, syphilis, for example. Hands-on learning opportunities are very important for anthropology students. Obviously you can learn about anthropology, our theories, and our techniques in the classroom, but the best way to really understand them is to experience them in the field. With anthropology, because we're taking such a holistic approach, so culture, language, biology, and also the past, because we're doing that, we're understanding humans in a way more complex way that other disciplines might not be able to do. And really, that's kind of what liberal arts is, right? Trying to understand things from as many different angles as possible. What I love about St. Lawrence students is that they're up for anything. So if I need something, I can just run into a student in the hallway, say I'm trying to set up a lab and I need to bury a plastic skeleton for some sort of pseudo kind of, fake excavation that I'm running in my class. I'll be like, what are you doing? And they're like, nothing, why, what do you need? And then we'll just kind of end up in the bush and we're digging a hole and we're burying a body. A fake plastic body, obviously. But yeah, they're just kind of up for anything, and I love that, right? Because so am I. So, like minds, I guess.